Hello guys, my name is I'm a 16th batch of NICA and I am from Lalitpur, Nepal. So today I'm going to prepare a salad named Caesar salad. The origin, first of all, let me go to the history. It was originated in Mexico, but it was invented or origin by a guy immigrant from Italy. So you can call it was famous in Italy and it was originated in Mexico. So basic ingredient for this sauce is for this salad is Roman lettuce, and we have here our local Roman lettuce, and we have our Parmesan cheese with us. We have olive oil, balsamic vinegar, mustard paste, work as a binding agent in this Caesar salad. We have our Worcestershire sauce, and then we have anchovies. We have olive. We have here peppers, we have garlic, salt, pepper, lime, and then we have egg yolk. So first of all, I'm gonna show you by making a crouton. For today, I have Italian bread to make crouton. So let me first melt the butter. So remember, to melt the butter, we have to melt the butter in a very low flame. So remember about the flame, and because if you put it on high flame, it will just burn faster. So let me put the butter and melt it for a while. So the butter is melted, and let me season my bread with some salt, yeah, and then with some pepper. Now let me add some chopped garlic, and some chopped parsley. So now it's time to add some butter, melted butter. Toss it, and so now I need to put it in a preheated oven for around 2 minutes. So I'm going to bake this oven or toast it in an oven for a few minutes. I have a preheated oven, so let me put it in the oven for a few minutes. So I'm going to prepare a Caesar dressing, and for that I need egg yolk, I need anchovies, I need Worcestershire salad sauce, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, Parmesan reggiano, olives, and lime. So first of all, let me just separate. Now let me separate the egg and egg white and egg yolk. Let me add some mustard paste. This is the binding agent for the sauce. And let me put some anchovies, chopped anchovies, so I can just break it with my hand. Let's put some olive, and then some of the peppers. Let me put some garlic over here. I need some Worcestershire salad sauce. And balsamic vinegar. Some olive oil. So first of all, I'm going to mix it, and I'm going to put in a full of breaded Parmesan reggiano after. So it's time to add Parmesan reggiano. So let me grate some cheese, Parmigiano, and add it on. Let me check our seasoning. Perfect. Let me check our crouton. Yeah, it's ready. Our crouton is ready. Finally, we have our crouton here. We have our Caesar dressing, and we have our Roman lettuce. So let me just prepare our Caesar salad. First of all, I need to break down the lettuce into small bite-sized pieces. Let me add some Caesar dressing, the most important. Crouton and wash it. Okay. Our Caesar salad is ready, so I'm going to serve it in a plate. Now our Caesar salad is ready to serve.